Hi, welcome back to the another video of design pattern. But in this video, we will be not discussing another one. I think this design pattern is very complicated, right? So I want to give you the another example of this abstract factory design pattern. So you can have a clear idea what is a abstract factory design pattern. So previously I already give you two example of furniture, computer, and let me give you the two example, most real time example of AWS and Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so directly jump into the code. We will not discuss any theory here. Okay, in this video. So let's come to the part of the coding part. So I told you how many things like any product or operation we are doing, we will be creating a interface in abstract factory pattern, right? Now, what it is here, it is a enum capacity, start, attach the storage and stop. Whoever implement it have to initialize or give an implementation for it, right? So for instance, here we have it two type of instance. One is AWS and one is GCP. So let's first see the AWS. EC2 instance implement a instance and give the all the implementation of it. Start, we printed direct EC to start, attach storage and stopped. Same goes with GCP instance. We say capacity. This is a capacity we will passing in both. We will passing the capacity object. Do not worry about it. I will let you know. And we will give a overridden of it. Three method which present in an instance. And this is a constructor of it, right? We are passing a capacity. And now the term is instance we cover storage. Storage just have a get ID. We have one interface, we need an implementation, so just come to the storage get id implementation, right? Two string normal method and one integer capacity in MB. Same here, not this one, storage. Okay, this is storage. Now third one, resource factory. Now you have your resources like AWS and GCP. You want to create an instance, you want to create a storage. So what type of like instance you will be give, like AWS, that storage automatically attached to it. Now if you have this resource factory, then you have respective classes. The AWS resource factory, you are having create instance and it is returning a EC2 instance, right? You are create a storage, it is returning a new storage in MB. So if you check here new storage in MB, this constructor will be called. That's why we are creating a parametric constructor, right? Now let me come to the this part, EC2 instance, this will be called, right? Got it? Same we are following here, not this one, factory one. Okay, we are giving a create instance and we are giving a create storage. That's all. Let me jump to the client. This is pretty important part. I just create one resource factory. There's interface object here, not object, reference variable here, and give one. This is my constructor. Okay, do not worry about it. This is a parametric constructor directly setting the factory whichever someone passing here. Now one is create server. Okay, you are passing a initial capacity cap and MB storage. Initially whatever the factory I have here, I will be using here and creating a like attach create instance and attach create a storage and attach the storage, and whatever the instance we are giving here instance we are attaching it storage to that instance. Now returning an instance. Now come to the main method. We say AWS new client, right? And creating object of this class and passing AWS. Why we are passing? When we passing new, it this constructor will call and pass the factory in it. And what factory? That is AWS resource factory. And AWS resource factory implement a resource factory. That's why it will be work. And here we are just creating a AWS instance and here Google Cloud instance. Let me run the code. So if you see the output, here what we are saying, create an instance and allocate it and stop, because we are just calling this method and nothing inside it. Actual code is not inside this AWS instance. We are having only the demo code, right? And here also. So I think this example help you to understand abstract factory a little bit. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.